Hey everybody, it's Josh at Walnut Ridge. This week I'm not going to talk about maintenance things that you need to do. However, I am going to talk about maintenance on your camper. You can see from our lot that we're extremely busy. It's winding down towards the end of summer, the end of camping season, and we've stayed steady the whole time. What's going to happen though, once everybody's decided they're done with their trips, we're going to get an influx of service calls. And our service will be extremely busy going into wintertime, and hopefully things will stay the same this year as they have in the past few. We'll be busy all winter as well. But with that, that's kind of what I wanted to talk about this week. It is time to start thinking about getting that maintenance done, in the season stuff. Where you're done using your camper, you can bring it to us and let us have it for a little bit so that we can do the maintenance stuff and have it ready for next year for you. So now is the time to start thinking, what's your schedule? Are you going to be using it? Even a lot of people use it through October, but if you're going to be using it that long, go ahead and get your appointment made now to get in here, because we will fill up quickly for the after season stuff that we usually do for people. All the maintenance packages, some minor stuff you didn't worry about getting repaired because it didn't stop you from using it. We'll take care of that after the season. So now's the time to start thinking about that. And one thing I want to talk about this week is a new feature that we have, or a new option for you, is you can schedule your service appointment on our website. So you just go to walnutridgerv.com, and on the right hand side towards the bottom you'll see a red button that says book your service appointment. Click on that. If you know who your service writer is, you'll be able to select them for what type of appointment you want, and then that's going to show the available times. Also to pick up your unit out of service whenever we call you to tell you it's complete. So great new feature for us. You can do it from your phone, you can do it from a computer, tablet, any device that you can get on the internet, on a browser, to be able to look up our website. But we want to encourage you to use that, and I would encourage you to start looking at it now so you know what your schedule is, and get in here before the rush of service comes this fall. So hopefully we'll see you here for your maintenance packages, and get you ready for a great camping season next year. Thanks.